How to turn on automatic unlocking in Waymo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. The automatic unlocking in Waymo is possible when you do it from the app and when the car arrives, as you can see, unlocking the car. To unlock the doors automatically on iOS, make sure you've allowed Waymo to use Bluetooth, and on Android, allow nearby devices. Open the Waymo app, go to the Account tab and select Preferences. Then turn on Unlock Automatically. And once you are near, the car will unlock automatically. Once the setting is turned on, the car will unlock as you approach it. When you are ready to go, tap Start Ride and don't forget to buckle up. And this is how to turn on automatic unlocking in Waymo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.